What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Kelly Rebuildables. Okay guys, so you saw the thumbnail, the title. I bought a new project. The cars are cheaper, you know, this coronavirus stuff, but that doesn't mean you gotta go buy it, you know, I'm just saying. So let's go to the video. Back at the house. I do have a new project. That's the project. Let me show you guys. Let me turn around the camera. So this is gonna be the new project, guys. It's a 2010 Chrysler 300S. It comes with the stock 20-inch wheels. It's got 78,000 miles. Black. As you can see, 300S. Got a little damage down there. This has got a couple little scratches. Another little scratch right there. That's about it on this side. It does have a sunroof, but this is where it gets pretty bad. There it is. This rear quarter panel, which I will have to push out and bondo it. And it's the whole back door and maybe even the front door. But I'll probably fix this. I just think it's gonna be less time consuming and cheaper just to replace the whole door. And of course, it needs the fender. The bumper might still be okay after a buffing. It does need the passenger side headlamp. So in this case, I will be buying both of them. And let me show you guys the interior, the inside. And on the inside, here it is. The seats are pretty cool, guys. They seem dirty, but they're not. That's just the way it looks, as you can see. But it's pretty clean, pretty clean. It's practically not new, but I mean it's perfect for its age. We got navigation system. Like I said, we got some sunroof. The rear seats are practically new. It looks like that on the camera, guys, but that's because, see, I mean, it depends on what you do with it. It'll look like stains, but they're not. This thing does have a navigation system. No airbag deployed. Like I said, 78,000 miles. The red stitching on the steering wheel. It is a 3.5 liter V6. Heated seats. Like I said, navigation system. It's a pretty clean car, guys. Really clean car. As soon as I bought it home, my wife liked it, so most likely this is gonna be my wife's car now. I have been looking for the doors. I found the doors at Pick and Pull. They're gonna be, I think, 60 bucks each, so it's gonna be super cheap, and they're black already, so it's gonna save me some time and money. But let me know what you guys think. It's a 2010. They look kind of like the SRT the SRT8 seats. It's got the 300S on the seats. So yeah, guys, nice car. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Okay, guys, so the next thing to do is, you know, I'm gonna order the fender, I'm gonna order the headlights, and well, that's gonna take about a week to get here. So in the meanwhile, I already located the doors, both doors from a Chrysler 300. Actually, they're like maybe like 30 minutes away from here. If you're here in California, you know Pick and Pull. So Pick and Pull's got a website, and you just gotta put the car, and it'll take you to whatever yard the car that you're looking at is is located. With the Chrysler 300, it's a very common car here in California, especially these years. I like the newer ones better, but for the price, it's okay. And like I said, Chrysler 300s here in California are very, very common. So, you're gonna find them everywhere. So I found 3 of them in this yard. So I'm gonna go ahead and check them out. And they're black also, so that's gonna save me some money and some work. So let's go see if we could get them today. Okay, so I got the headlamp out. As you can see, there's no damage absolutely anywhere besides the fender. I will have to remove completely. I just pulled it down to get the headlight out, but it's got a what is it? I think it's 5/16 bolt right here and 2 more on top. So let me try to get this thing off. Bumper seems to be okay. Like I said, I may need to buy this plastic because it's broken, and buy this new this turn signal. So yeah, let me continue tearing that thing apart. Okay guys, so I have the fender off, have the headlight off. This is where I'm at. I need to go buy the 2 doors so I could start removing them and replacing them. This is gonna be an easy fix, guys. Quick repair. Okay guys, so this is the donor car. As you can see, the both doors that I need are in perfect shape. So I'm gonna be stripping them down from this car. If not, there's another car over there, like I said, and it's also black. Okay guys, as you can see, I am back home. I got the front door there, so I'm gonna start stripping this one down. And back here I have the back door. As you can see, they're in perfect shape. So the next thing to do is try to remove the front door. Use those 2 and those 2 down there, and that should be it. Okay guys, so I already removed both doors, as you can see. So I gotta change everything from the old door to the new old door. And there's a couple things that are different, like this one. See, check this out and check this one out. So I gotta find a way to make this one fit on that side. Most likely thing is gonna be cutting it. Also, the harness is different, so I gotta switch harness from this door to that other door. So yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, I did surgery to the new old door. This is where the old one used to go, but I might have to cut it so I can make this one fit. As you can see, that's pretty much working. So I'm gonna leave it that way. So that's the difference. One's longer than the other one. So for that one to fit, and check this one out. See, that one just had a hole, but there was no other way for me to make a hole on that one. Okay guys, so I got one wire harness off the door. I'm gonna try to get that one off now and install this one over there. So I think that's pretty much it. I don't think I need anything else from this door. Maybe the gasket, the seal, but that one seems to be okay too. So, but I'll check them out. I think this one looks newer on the top than that one. So and maybe that plastic, the inner plastic too. I don't know. I'm most likely gonna replace everything I can. But let me remove that wire harness now. Okay guys, so finally got everything connected. I did had to do surgery right here and right here. None of those stuff. I had to replace the whole elevator, or I don't know what you guys call this. The little motor that raises the window up and down. This is the old one because the connector was different. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on the car and raise the glass up so I could tie in this side. But yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm still working on the car. On the doors, the next thing to do is wait for the fog lights. I do have the fender because I bought it the same day as the doors, because they had it at a store, brand new, in stock, so I went and got it. So that's gonna be next, installing the fender, finishing up the doors, and waiting for the headlights to arrive and install them. Now the car, even though all this coronavirus stuff, you check how long it lasts on the surfaces. This car stayed like at least 2 weeks without being touched. And you can see it in my other videos, the Jeep videos. You can see this on the sides and stuff like that. While I was working on the Jeep, this was just standing there. I did got home and washed it and do some Lysol inside everywhere, and just left it there. Always use gloves and use your N95 mask. And like I said, I left it here for a little bit more than 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, close to 3 weeks, I'm pretty sure everything that's in the cars has already died, like the viruses and stuff like that. So yeah guys, be careful out there picking up the cars from Copart. Usually when a car goes to Copart, it lasts there maybe like 1 or 2 weeks already before they even sell it. So another couple weeks that you leave it at your house without touching it would definitely help a lot. So just here in California, we're not in obligated, well, at least not here in this county. I mean, I've seen videos over in LA and stuff like that that they are obligated to stay indoors. Here not yet, because it is a small town. But either way, the most you staying home and watch yourself and take care of yourself and everything you touch, it's gonna definitely help you guys a lot and help the rest of the people out too. So that's it guys, stay safe. See you guys in the next one.